Hi everybody, happy Tech Tip Tuesday. Welcome to the Lexus Virtual Classroom, and today we are not actually inside of a car. I know that's a little bit different, but today we are talking about something that's going on Apple Watches, having to do with starting your car using the Lexus app. Shout out to Mike Hiles for leaving the comment on one of the videos on our YouTube channel and inspiring this video. We've even been getting calls behind the scenes at the Lexus Technology Center. Here's Ava. So if you are using Lexus Enform Remote through the Lexus app and you've noticed a prompt on your Apple Watch saying add a vehicle, not to worry, we're going to take you through the steps. So let's get the app on the watch to sync with the app on your iPhone, and then you'll be in business. Let's get some housekeeping points out of the way. Number one, make sure to use this app called Lexus and not this app, which is the previous version of the remote starter. There have been a few back-to-back iOS updates on the iPhone recently, and a lot of times when you have updates to your operating system, you'll find that things need a fresh connection. Well, your Apple Watch has apps synced to your phone. So whenever you have an app that suddenly isn't working right, best first step, delete the app from your iPhone. Also update the Watch OS for your Apple Watch. Once you've deleted the Lexus app from your iPhone, go ahead and power off your Apple Watch. While your watch is powering off, go ahead and reinstall the Lexus app on your iPhone. And follow the prompts to refresh your login. Make sure to take the steps to log in with your current Lexus driver's account. If you can't remember the password, make sure to do Forgot Password. Don't create a secondary account. If you have multiple email addresses or accounts associated with your VIN, your vehicle identification number, for security reasons, your account might be disabled. Now relaunch the Lexus app on your Apple Watch. The critical step is to make sure that you see the name of your vehicle and the green highlighted bar showing current fuel amount. That confirms that everything is synced, your watch, your phone, and your Lexus. If you have never had a Lexus Enform account or a Toyota Intune account, then you can go ahead and register for a new account. Lexus Enform Remote is a subscription service that's part of the Lexus Enform Connected Technologies features on many Lexus vehicles. New Lexus vehicles in the United States come with different trial periods for different features depending on the model and year of your vehicle. If you're not sure what the trial period was for your Lexus, you can check your subscription. Go to the Lexus app on your iPhone or to your account information on lexusdrivers.com. You're not able to check subscription terms or account details on your smartwatch app. So make sure that you are using the most current operating system for your phone, and if your watch hasn't had time to update, go ahead and update that as well. After the updates, you might want to refresh your app again. Hopefully that'll take care of any challenges you're having using the Lexus app on your Apple Watch to communicate with your Lexus. Thanks so much for visiting us at the Lexus Virtual Classroom. We'll see you next time.